Hello everyone. Last class we discussed about the decimal number system and how to convert the given decimal number into binary system. In this class we'll study how to convert the binary number to the decimal number. Binary means 2. Okay. Now they will be giving you the binary number and we have to convert this binary number to the decimal number. So what are the steps to convert means, see, first step we have to multiply the digits. Digits means each digits we have to multiply with 2. So from the right side we have to start from the right side. See, what is the first value here? 0. We have to multiply this 0 with 2. Why we are multiplying with 2 means we are converting this binary number. So we need to multiply each digits with 2 first. Next value is 1. 1 into 2. Next value is 0. 0 into 2. Next is 1. 1 into 2. After multiplying, we need to increase the power of 2. Starting from 0. See, first one is to the power of 0. Then after 0, 1. After 1, 2. And after 2, it is 3. Okay. Last class I told you anything to the power of 0, any number, either it may be 2, 8, 10, whatever it is, anything to the power of 0, the value will be 1. Not only for 2, if the value, it may be 10. 10 to the power of 0 is also 1. 8 to the power of 0 is also 1. Any number to the power of 0, it will be 1. Okay. Next, 2 to the power of 1. Any number to the power of 1, it remains the same. It will not change. Whatever the number given here, it will be same. Okay. What is next? 2 to the power of 2. See, if 2 to the power of 2 means you have to multiply the given number 2 times. Because the power is 2, so you have to multiply this 2 times. Multiply 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2? 4. Okay, next is 2 cube. So, see, here the power is 2. So, we multiply this number 2 times. Now, the power is 3. So, how many times we should multiply this 2? 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Understood? Don't get confused. Suppose if it is 2 to the power of 4. How you will multiply? You need to multiply this 2 how many times? 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Like this you have to multiply. Now write the values here. Don't get confused. Try to listen. Okay. Now write this number as it is 0. Why? Because we have values for 2 to the power of 0 to the power of 1. So 0 and 2. Now it is 2 to the power of 0. What is the value of 2 to the power of 0? It is 1. 1. Now 1 into. What is 2 to the power of 1 here? 2. Next write 0 as it is. And here 2 to the power of 2. What is the value of 2 to the power of 2? That is 4. Now what is 2 to the power of 3? The value is 8. Okay. After writing the powers of these values, then you have to multiply. What is 0 into 1? Anything multiplied with 0, it will be always 0. 1 into 2, it is 2. 0 into 4, 0. 1 into 8, it is 8. After multiplying, we have to add the final values of each digits. 0 plus 2, it is 2. 2 plus 0, again it will be 2. 2 plus 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. So now the value of the given binary number to the decimal number, it is 10. This given binary number to the decimal number. As I told, what is the first step? We have to multiply each digits from right side with 2. What is the first value here? 1. Take 1, multiply with 2. Okay. Then what is the next value? 0. 0 into 2. What is the next? 0 into 2. 1 into 2. After multiplying the given values with the 2, what is the next step? We have to increase the power of 2 starting from 0. For the first number, you give it as 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. Okay. Just draw lines like this so it will be easy. Is equal to, see, write the numbers as it is. 1 into, what I told, anything to the power of 0 is always 1. I'll show you once again here. 2 to the power of 0, any number to the power of 0, it will be always 1. Any number to the power of 1, the number as it is. 2 to the power of 2 means we need to multiply the given number how many times? 2 times. If it is 2 to the power of 3, we have to multiply the given number 3 times. So 2 2s are 4, here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, now write here 0 into, what is 2 to the power of 1? It is 2. Now 0 into, what is 2 to the power of 2? The value is 4. Next 1 into, what is 2 to the power of 3? It is 8. Okay, after writing the values of the powers, now we multiply. 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 2, anything multiplied with 0 will be 0. 0 into 4, 0. 1 into 8, it is 8. Got it? Next, last, the final values, you should sum the final values. So, 1 plus 0, 1. The value will be 1 here. Again 1 plus 0, it will be 1. 1 plus 8 will be 9. Okay. So now we have converted the given binary number into the decimal number. So 1001 to the base 2, this is equal to 9 to the base 10. In this way we have to convert the given binary number into the decimal numbers. We'll see another example so that it will be clear for you how to convert. Yes. Now this is your third example. We'll convert how to convert this into the decimal number. What is the first step? We have to multiply each digits with the 2. Why? Because we are converting it to binary, so we need to multiply with 2. What is the first value here? 0 multiplied with 2. What is the next value? 0 multiplied with 2. 1 into 2. What is the next value? 1 into 2. 1 into 2. 1 into 2. Yes. After multiplying with the number 2, what is the next step? We have to increase the power of this 2 starting from 0. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? Now, is equal to, yes, 0 into 2 to the power of 0 is 1. We'll write again the values of the powers. 2 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 will be always 1. 2 to the power of 1 means the number as it is. If 2 to the power of 2, multiply the given number 2 times. If 2 to the power of 3, multiply the given number 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 to the power of 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, you have to multiply the given number 4 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Next 2 to the power of 5. See, the last number is 2 to the power of 6. Till 2 to the power of 6 we have to multiply. 2 to the power of 5. You have to multiply this to 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Okay, next. Next value is 2 to the power of 6. We have to multiply this to 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start multiplying. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. And the last value is 2. If you find difficulty in multiplying, you can multiply it like this. What is 32 into 2? 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. 64. Now write the values here. 0 into 2 to the power of 1. What is the value of 2 to the power of 1? It is 2. Next 1 into 2 to the power of 2. So what is 2 to the power of 2 there? 4. Next 1 into 2 cube. What is the value of 2 to the power of 3? It is 8. Next, what is the value of 2 to the power of 4? 16. Now 1 into, what is 2 to the power of 5? What is the value of 2 to the power of 5? 1 into, what is the 2 to the power of 6? It is 64. Okay. Now you multiply. 0 into 1, 0. Anything multiplied with 0 will be 0. Next 0 into 2, again 0. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 8, 8. 1 into 16, 1 into 32, it's 32. 1 into 64, it is 64. Now add all the final values. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 plus 4, it is 4. What is 4 plus 8? It's 12. 12 plus 6. See, after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 plus 2, 19, 20. 20 plus 4, it will be 24. 2 carry and 4. Yes. What is 2 plus 1? 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, it is 12. So what is the final value? It is 124. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have converted the given binary number into the decimal value. But you should not forget to write the base for the each number system. Got it? We have to write because we converted this 124 to the decimal. So we need